Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel again. Today I'm going to take you briefly on introduction to Microsoft Excel and how you're going to enter into your data, how you're going to perform various calculations, and how you can do anything concerning the Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel by definition is a powerful spreadsheet developed by the Microsoft. It is it is it is used usually for visualizing, for analyzing, and also for organizing various data. So let me take you briefly on how to like open it. And now you're going to perform various calculation on Microsoft Excel. Let's go straight on. If you want to open the Microsoft Excel, you can come and search here. You can write here, you can search here, or you can go to your Microsoft whatever, and then you scroll through and you get to that. But for my case, I'm going to search that directly Excel. Let's search. Okay. Okay. This is my already open Microsoft Excel. You can either use the already manipulated data, or you can come and create yours here. Like for our case, we are going to create ours here. Let's enter into a blank workbook here. This one we call it the blank workbook. Let's open and we see. So the whole of this one here is called a worksheet. The whole of this thing is called a worksheet. It's made of two components. We have the upper one, which is called which is alphabeted is a row, and the column is the one which run horizontally. This one is a row, and it is given numbers. It's given numbers, not figure. It's given numbers here, not letters. I mean, so in this one here, you'll have like the intersection between row and column. It will give you what? Intersection between row and column. It will give you a cell, and an active cell is this one, which is already what? Already, it's called the one with a bold line. This one is called active cell, where you can now enter in any data that you want. Let's let's go straight into entering in our data, and we'll do some of the various calculations that we want in this Excel. Okay, let me first enter the name here. This one is the name, and then the name, you can give name of any person or anybody, and you can take like you're making a list of a list of students in a class that did some of the exams. So this one now it will help us also in doing that. So let's go straight into doing this one. Like here, you're going to put any subject. Let's take the primary subjects. Like for example, we have SST, and also here we have sciences. We have mathematics, and then we have English. Of English. So this one, let's enter any name here. Like I'm going to use okay. Let's make this one be bold. This one representing Oketa, and then bring down here OPO, OP, kilo, and then OC, OC here. Let's now enter in the marks, like in SST. Okay, I got like 50. 70, 50, 80. For the science, we have 80, 90, 45, of here 20. So here with the same 90, 50, 30, 70. So for English here, 100, 60, 90, and 10. This one is the max. And we can also add here, like when we want to get the total marks obtained by each student. So we can also add here total. This one is a total. Also we can put here average, and then you can comment and give the comment. Yes, this one is it. So like after entering all this data here, if you want to get the total, you can use two-way. You can use function or you can use a formula. But for my case, I'm going to use a function. For using function, you'll come and check here, enter into insert function. Is in inserting function, it will give you various options here. Like here, you're seeing you have average, rank count, sum, but we are getting total. For total, we're going to enter sum. So which I'll enter sum. That is from. We can add now the specific subject, the specific marks scored by specific subject and by a particular student. Okay, like for the first one, let's now enter. We have B2, B2, C2, C2. Also we have D2, and then we have E2. These two. Then we enter, and then we enter now. So this one is a total for the marks obtained by Okeda. So let's also get for the other. If you want to get for the other, you come at the lower corner here, you click, and then it will give you all the rest of the thing now. Yeah, this one is the marks obtained by all the students. So let's also go and get the average mark scored by each student. We can also come again to the function and come and select option average, yes. So it's going to give us from. So let's enter. We're going to type an average into B2 up to E2. B2 up to E2. So this one is the average scored by OK. Also do the same here to get the one for the others. Yes. Yeah, these are the average mark scored by these guys here. Yeah, this one is basically how you can use Microsoft Excel, and you can see how easy it is. I advise you guys to also learn how to make data, how to organize data in Microsoft Excel. Thank you so much.